Hi everyone, this is Tresna Sarvina. I'm from Public Health University of Sumatera Utara and I'm currently in Glasgow as a student in University of Glasgow under the ISMA program. If I can turn back time, I wish I can engage a lot more with fellow visiting students from across the world and joining a lot more activities at the campus to know more about them. Talking about the application, I think during the application I felt a lot of emotion at the same time because it was rather fun but also busy, and it makes me kind of feel like I'm in a very tight time and I have to make sure that everything is perfect by the time, so it's fascinating. The most difficult part of my ISMA journey was when I had to go to Jakarta to do my visa registration, and I think it was hard because I have to do all by myself. I have to arrange the flight by myself, and then I have to survive in a big city like Jakarta, and I think it's really hard. So I guess I really wish ISMA will make it easier for us who came not from Java next time. It will be great. Talking about the most valuable things that I gained during ISMA is the fact that I can experience living in Glasgow and to feel how does it feels like to live in Europe. The other valuable thing that I would like to talk about is my ISMA friends. So they came from different universities all across Indonesia, and they're all so great, they're all so kind, and they helped me to understand the concept of loving myself better and accepting myself better. The ISMA program really helped me to understand my value better, and it really helps me to understand what I want and what I can gain with myself, and it really helps me to reach my goal. Along with the other ISMA awardees from Indonesia, we created an event called Indonesian Fair. So my job was to cook. I cook a lot of Indonesian traditional snacks like risol and pisang coklat, and then I share to the guests, and I'm happy that they like it. And the other event that I attend is a visiting student ambassador dinner party. So I cook some fried noodle for them, and I'm happy that they like it. And we talk a lot about Indonesian traditional food because I love cook and cooking is my passion. So I think I can share all about Indonesian food as a part of promoting Indonesian's culture. So I managed to cook some mie goreng for them, and they like it, and they happy to know a lot about Indonesian traditional dance and Indonesian traditional songs. So during the event, we play some song and some traditional dance. Of course, I had a lot of examinations, and it was hard because I had to make different kinds of essay papers and with different kind of lengths of words. So they're really hard because you have to engage a lot of books for different kind of essay. Here in the University of Glasgow, I took 3 different courses. The first one is Youth, Welfare and Policy. The second one is Public Policy. And the third one is Economic and Social History, where I learned a lot more about history of Glasgow and Scotland itself. My quarantine experience was rather lonely yet fascinating because I had the chance to try different kind of foods, and it's really a memorable moment for me because I really didn't expect the hotel to provide us halal food, and it makes me really comfortable during my stay. My first impression for Glasgow is medieval and cold, but my first impression for University of Glasgow is magnificent and enormous because, as you can see, our campus looks like Hogwarts, just like what everyone says. So rather than talking about the cultural shock, the thing that I find really more shocking or fascinating here in Glasgow is the fact that the city is very much Muslim friendly. It's really easy for us to find halal food everywhere, and the school provide us with chapel or prayer space in almost every building. It really helps me to feel comfortable in here. I obviously need to change my study habit since I'm studying here in the University of Glasgow because it really requires us to read a lot of books to understand a lot of topics that we're talking in the classes. The lecture and teaching style is obviously different from my home university because the University of Glasgow already implemented the blended learning where we can meet with our lecturer and other fellow classmates to talk about our subjects. It's like a tutorial class where you will attend a class with 10 or 12 other people, and then each week the lecturer will drop some questions you have to answer for the next tutorial meeting, and they will also require you to read a lot of books. I'm officially Isma Bias because it helps me to reach my goal one step closer.